The nature of strategy, analysis, and choice. Strategists never consider all feasible alternatives that could benefit the firm, because there are infinite number of feasible actions and infinite numbers of ways to implement those actions. Therefore, a manageable set of the most attractive alternative strategies must develop. Strategies, analysis, and choice. Alternative strategies derive from vision, mission, objectives, external audit, and internal audit. First, vision. Vision refers to the idea that we can learn valuable lessons about strategy from observing the nature world. Just as organisms adapt and evolve to survive in their environments, business must also be adaptable and strategic in their decision making. Second is mission. Mission about understanding how to natural world's inherent process inform and guide strategic decision. It's about recognizing an organization like living organisms have a purpose and must adapt to survive and thrive in their environment. Third, objective. Objective role in the survival and success of organisms in their natural environment. It's about applying the principle of natural selection and adaptation to the strategic decision-making process in business. Fourth, external audit. External audit emphasizes the crucial role for the external environment in shaping strategic decisions. It's about understanding that organizations like organisms in nature are not isolated entities but are deeply interconnected with their surroundings. Fifth, internal audit. Internal audit centers on the idea that a company's internal strengths and weaknesses are critical factors in shaping its strategic direction. Just as a healthy organism relies on its internal system to function effectively, a successful business must understand its internal capabilities and limitations to make informed strategic decisions.